What happens when you do 25 push-ups twice a day? You probably think getting stronger requires an hour at the gym, a pile of equipment, and a level of motivation you just don't have after work. But what if the secret to feeling better, moving more easily, and building real resilience was hiding in a 2-minute habit? Doing 25 push-ups in the morning and another 25 at night takes less time than scrolling through your phone. Yet this tiny routine triggers changes that go far beyond your chest muscles. Most people expect bigger arms or a firmer torso. That does happen, but only after several weeks. The real surprises happen much earlier, and in places you would never guess. Your nerves learn to fire faster, your wrists and shoulders become tougher without causing pain, your breathing deepens, your energy slumps disappear, and you start moving more without even trying. In this video, I will walk you through exactly what unfolds inside your body and mind when you commit to 50 push-ups a day. Let's start with the very first change, which happens inside your brain before any muscle appears. During the first 10 to 14 days, do not check the mirror for muscle growth. You will not see any. Instead, something much faster happens inside your brain and spinal cord. Your nervous system learns how to activate your chest, shoulder, and arm muscles more efficiently. Each push-up sends a signal from your brain to your muscles. At first, those signals are messy and weak, but by repeating the same move twice a day, your brain trims away the useless noise. It recruits more muscle fibers at the same time, and it fires them in better order. This is called neural adaptation. The result feels like magic. Suddenly, carrying grocery bags feels lighter. Sitting at a desk no longer makes your shoulders ache. You catch yourself standing taller without thinking about it. These improvements are not from bigger muscles, they come from a smarter nervous system. The best part is that this neural boost happens quickly, but it also plateaus after a few weeks. That is fine because by then, your muscles start to catch up. The nervous system lays the foundation, so every future push-up builds real strength instead of just clumsy effort. Muscles get all the attention, but your joints and connective tissues do the real heavy lifting of keeping you pain-free. When you do 25 push-ups twice a day, you put a gentle but steady load on your wrist tendons, shoulder ligaments, and the cartilage around your elbows. This daily stress triggers a process called collagen remodeling. Your body sends special cells called fibroblasts to those areas. These cells lay down fresh collagen fibers, and importantly, they align those fibers along the lines of tension you create during push-ups. Over 3 to 4 weeks, your wrists become less clicky, your shoulders feel more stable when you reach for a high shelf. You also lower your risk of common injuries like wrist tendinitis from typing or rotator cuff problems from sleeping on your side. Unlike heavy weightlifting, which can inflame tendons if done too often, this low-dose daily loading strengthens connective tissue without causing swelling. Think of it like breaking in a leather belt. A little flex every day makes it supple and tough. Too much force at once tears it. The twice daily push-up routine gives your joints the perfect amount of stress to grow stronger, not sorer. A proper push-up is not just an arm exercise. It forces your shoulder blades to slide apart at the bottom of the move and squeeze together at the top. That sliding motion directly mobilizes your thoracic spine, the middle part of your back between your neck and your lower ribs. Most people who sit at desks have a stiff thoracic spine. They hunch forward, which crushes their rib cage and makes their breaths shallow. Daily push-ups act like a key turning a lock. Each rep gently extends your mid-back, opening space between your vertebrae. After a couple of weeks, you will notice something strange. You can take deeper, slower breaths without feeling tightness in your upper chest. This leads to calmer nerves because deep breathing switches on your rest and digest system. Another hidden benefit, fewer tension headaches. When your mid-back moves freely, your upper trapezius muscles stop overworking to hold your head up. Headaches that used to appear every afternoon start fading. You will also find it easier to turn your head while reversing your car or reaching behind you for a seatbelt. These everyday movements become smooth instead of stiff. The push-up becomes a mobility drill without you ever realizing it. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. Light is the strongest signal for that clock, but movement also works as a powerful cue. Doing 25 push-ups first thing in the morning tells your brain that daytime has begun. This suppresses leftover melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Many people find that a quick set of push-ups cuts through morning fog more effectively than coffee, and without the jitters. The evening set, if done about 2 hours before bed, does something different. Light exercise at that hour causes a small, brief rise in cortisol followed by a deeper drop a couple of hours later. Cortisol is a stress hormone that normally keeps you alert. When it falls at the right time, your body relaxes into sleep more easily. However, timing matters. If you do push-ups too late, like right before getting into bed, the immediate burst of adrenaline can keep you awake. The sweet spot is after dinner, but at least 90 minutes before sleep. This pattern of morning activation and evening wind-down trains your circadian rhythm to become more stable. You will notice fewer afternoon slumps. Your energy will feel steady rather than spiky, and you may fall asleep faster without lying awake for hours replaying the day. 50 push-ups burn only about 30 to 40 calories. That is less than half an apple. So do not expect weight loss from this habit alone. But here's the sneaky part. That tiny amount of muscle work wakes up your entire metabolism in a different way. After you do a set of push-ups, your muscles experience very light damage. This signals your body to increase something called NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. NEAT is all the movement you do outside of formal exercise. Things like tapping your foot, standing up to stretch, walking to the printer, or fidgeting in your chair. Studies show that people who do micro workouts like this end up adding 8 to 12% more daily steps without thinking about it. You simply feel more like moving. You might choose the stairs over the elevator. You might pace while on the phone. These small actions add up. Over a full day, that extra NEAT can burn an additional 100 to 200 calories. This is the real metabolic win. The push-ups themselves do very little, but they break the spell of sitting still. They remind your body that it is meant to move, and the rest happens automatically. There is a strange mental shift that happens when you do a small, easy workout twice a day. You start to see yourself as a person who exercises. This identity change is more powerful than any amount of willpower. Completing your morning push-ups takes less than 2 minutes. It feels almost too easy to skip, but that is exactly why you never skip it. There is no dread, no packing a gym bag, no changing clothes. This low-friction design kills the perfectionism that ruins most fitness plans. Once you have done your morning set, a quiet psychological cascade begins. You think, well, I already did my push-ups today. Maybe I should drink some water too. Or, I am already a person who moves, so I might as well take the stairs. Without any extra effort, you start adding tiny, healthy actions. You stretch for 30 seconds. You stand instead of sit during a call. You walk to the store instead of driving. This is called habit stacking, and it works because your self-image has already changed. The push-ups are the anchor. They prove to your brain every single day that you follow through on small promises to yourself. And that feeling of reliability spreads into other areas like work, sleep, and even patience with family. Doing 25 push-ups twice a day will not turn you into a fitness model. Your muscles will grow a little, but not dramatically. Your endurance will improve, but only up to a point. After about 3 months, your body fully adapts, and progress stalls unless you add more challenge. That is the honest limit of this habit. However, what you gain in those first 3 months is arguably more valuable than big muscles. You gain a nervous system that fires efficiently. You gain joints that resist injury. You gain a mobile spine that lets you breathe deep and stand tall. You gain a reliable energy rhythm from morning to night. You gain an automatic nudge to move more throughout your day. And most importantly, you gain the quiet confidence of someone who keeps a promise to themselves. If you want to push further, simply add 5 more push-ups each set, slow down the lowering phase, or split into 3 daily sets.